I haven't got any better at this. I thought I would come back and I'd be better, but I still don't know my words. Heyo guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Shay Cray for those of you who don't know, and I'm back. Not even just back with another unboxing, I'm actually fully back. I have kind of taken a little mini hiatus. It wasn't really planned, but just life, and I just had to take a step back for a minute. But I am fully back. I'm back with another unboxing and a whole bunch of new stuff. Hopefully I got kind of some new ideas, some new plans, some different type of content for you guys. As much as I love making these videos, don't worry, you haven't been missing out when I've been gone. I literally haven't picked up any kicks, so now it's kind of just, you know, kind of kicked me to actually sit down and do this. But once I've done this, there is going to be new content coming pretty much every week. So if you've missed me, I'm back. But enough with the chat, because that's not really why we're here. You don't really care about my life, innit? It's not that deep. We want to open some Jordans, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here I am with two pairs of kicks. I only ordered one, but for some reason they did end up sending me two. I have only paid for one. Let's hope it stays like that, because ayo, winning at life if that's the case. So in here is a pair of the Jordan 3 Neapolitans. I think they did change the name of them to the dark Mochas, or whatever. But let's be honest, Neapolitans was a way better name to begin with. So I'm just going to dub them that, because I think that's what everyone else is doing. Now, if you're in the UK like me, I feel like these were kind of a little hard to get your hands on. Just purely because I don't think we've really had that proper general release yet. A few places and sites managed to have a raffle and, you know, got their kicks out, but most places were delayed, pushed back, taken off the site. I think they got taken off the sneakers as well, so we haven't really seen that full big release. So I am blessed to kind of get my hands on a pair. So as always, if you wouldn't mind dropping a like, a comment, or maybe even subscribing, that'll be blessed, because it helps. And as always, let's go. Is anyone else excited? Like, I'm kind of excited because I haven't had kicks in ages. There is a side note that these might not fit me, because threes do not like my feet. I love threes. Threes do not like me. Yeah, I'm a 5.5. No, I'm not. In all my GS, I'm a 5.5. Apart from threes, where I need to go up to a 6. But then in a women's, I'm normally a 4.5 in ones. But they didn't have any 5.5s, so I got these in a 5. You do the maths. I don't know either. I haven't done this in so long. I'm like, right, what are we doing next? Box, let's go, let's open up. Hype. So let's go ahead and jump into it on the box, as always. Now, someone tell me if I'm talking shit. Drop some knowledge down below. We've got this all white box with the gold Jumpman. A lot of my women's kicks all come in the white box. I don't know if it's a women's thing, but I've just never had a men's pair come in this box. So just let me know if I'm chatting, because I could be. But yeah, we just got that gold Jumpman on the front. It's a pretty much, you know, standard plain box. And then we have the sizing at the front, as always. And yeah, the sizing looks promising. I'm not going to hold you. So I'm hoping they fit. I say I hope they fit way too much in these videos. Like, by now at my big age, I should know what size I am. But my feet do not mathematically give a fuck. Inside, tissue paper, kind of as I expected, if I'm going to be honest. Seen it a bunch of times before. We've got that white tissue paper just with the gold 23 print on there. Gas. I'm gas. I've heard they're nice. I've heard they're nice. I just want them to be nice and I want them to fit. Ooh! Yo, they didn't do man dirty. Now these are clean and they look a little bit bigger than my GS one, so I'm blessed up. I think these might fit. But the quality on these, oh, they there now. They done bits. They done bits. Everyone, run, don't walk. Run, don't walk. Go pick yourself some of these up. I'm telling you. Cheese. Cheese. I don't even like pink, but cheese. I want to try my foot on. I want to try them on foot kind of a little bit before I do the review, because I just want to know if they fit. But then if they don't fit, is it going to bring the tone of the review down? Do you know what I mean? There is a scuff slightly on here. So obviously you know what we're going to do. We're going to end up opening the other box and seeing which pair's nicer. But straight up, these is nice. It says here when describing the colours, it's like white, dark mocha. I'm not going to beef with those. I agree. White is a colour. Dark mocha. I mean, is it a colour? It essentially means brown, right? Atmosphere. What colour is the atmosphere. In my head, yeah, if you said think of a colour that you think the atmosphere, I'd be like blue. Where is blue on this kick? What is, I mean, I'm guessing atmosphere, they're saying is the pink. But what kind of atmosphere is pink? Let's get into all the details then. And as I kind of stated earlier, although I feel Jordan 3s can kind of be a little bit understated, they don't tend to switch up too much. They kind of just move around the colour placement, which is why I feel like this review might be a little bit short and maybe not as in-depth. But let's go into it with this upper. We have this white leather upper, slightly textured. You can tell the quality is nice, like straight from just pulling it out of the box. You can tell that they obviously haven't skimped here. As like most Jordan 3s, we do have this elephant print in that dark mocha brown colour. We also have that atmosphere pink. I kind of just clocked where they got the atmosphere from because my bubble gums are called the atmospheres, but also called the bubble gums. But either way, apparently they've renamed pink atmosphere. I don't know when that happened, but that's what it is now. So yeah, we've got these pink atmosphere accents all the way around the kick. It's nicely placed also on the tongue with this pink Jumpman. We've got extras of this pink swing tag. I love the swing tag. I don't know why. I feel like I'm Will Smith in the Fresh Prince or something. I kind of rate it. But the pink goes into the tongue and kind of the sole. I haven't recorded in so long. I feel like I forgot what everything is called. I'm just not used to like pelting it out here like this. But the pink contrast, although subtle, they are, it's just dope. It's just dope little fly bits. It's even in the kind of eyelets down here also. It's just, it's kind of a subtle flex to the point, like, I know they're going to say this is a women's shoe because it's pink or whatever, but I feel like the man them could rock this, honestly. Like, especially if you got the jeans or something or the baggy things and you like to hear and you just got that little pink here. I think it could be a fly fit, you know. So, man, them, don't be put off just because it's a little bit pink. You can definitely rock this. Heading to the back, we do have that Air Jordan here. Now, I think it's in a black. It's hard to tell because my eyes are shit and I need glasses. But I think it is more on the black side and not brown. But you really can't tell placed next to it. But I can't get over how clean this kick is overall, if I'm honest. Like, I just can't really fault it. The only thing, I say I can't fault it, and then I say the only thing. Maybe the tongue is, I feel like, maybe, I don't know why the stitching makes it look slightly girlier. I don't know why the Jumpman makes it look slightly girly. Maybe I'm tripping, you know, I'm not really a girly girl in it. But, apart from that, yeah, like, I really can't fault the shoe. If we come down to the midsole, we do have this sail colour. I don't think it's that bad. It's not giving you that full, like, proper aged effect. Sometimes they kind of OD on it. But it's kind of just subtle. It doesn't look aged to me. It just looks like it is supposed to be that sail colour. Coming down even further, we then have that rubber outsole. Again, in this kind of... It's not grey, but it's not super brown, but... As soon as you see this, you know it's the ice cream. You know it's the Neapolitan ice cream. You just know it. We've got a generic Jordan 3 sole for anyone who has seen one of those. Just has that Jordan branding again in red as it pretty much a standard. And that is essentially, bro, the kick. I have also realised that I haven't really spoke about the laces. But there's nothing to chat about, if I'm honest. Lace system, generic Jordan 3, plain white laces. You don't get any other laces. I'm surprised that they didn't supply, like, maybe some pink laces, if I'm honest. Like, you thought that would have been a shout, especially for the price point, because, you know, everything's going up. But I don't even know how much I paid for these. These are about $180. I believe these was about $180. So I would expect to have some extras in there. But maybe that's just me being bougie, because I'm used to paying, like, £90 for a Jordan 3, because I normally go for the GS. But since it's a women's release, they were all $180. So maybe that's just my kind of mindset. But even the inside, I know I'm going off mad tangents today. Can you tell I'm on one? The inside, you gotta feel this inside, bro. It's soft. Like, it's like cotton wool soft. I'm kind of taken back. But right now, this shoe is getting full ratings. Let's go ahead and jump into sizing, because like I said, I was so excited I went and tried them on before the review. I'm not even gonna hold you, right? I had to put them on my feet. My feet are a madness. I'm gonna say these are true to size. If you're interested in my feet's journey, these are actually probably slightly too big. No, I'm not gonna say too big. I feel like these were 5. I could have easily wore a 4.5 or a 5 and been comfortable either way, if I'm honest with you. Which is a madness because I've got a 5.5 in GS and I cannot squeeze my foot in them. So make it make sense, please. Please make it make sense. But anyone who's out there not knowing what size to get, I would say stick to your true to size, true women's size, whatever that may be. Because just for my placement in the kick, I can tell it is that just don't listen to my feet. They're haters, okay? But do yourself a favor and get a true to size. One thing I like to do is just give my kicks an initial first thoughts, gas rating straight out of the box, what we're saying. Now I am more than pleasantly surprised with this. The quality on it is nice. There are a few QC issues, but you know, I don't like to get too deep on the QC issues because that can be different pair to pair, and I actually haven't heard bad things about these shoes at all. For the most part, I think they are good. The ones that are on this shoe are a little bit minor, and it is only just 1 kick. I'm blessed to kind of have 2 kicks, and I obviously will go ahead and pick which the better kicks are. We would all do it in the same position, so don't come for me. You know you do it too, innit? You got to pick the best kick. But nah, man, way better than I expected. I don't wanna get too deep because this is my first review back. So I'm just going to sit them nicely at an 8.2. Okay guys, thanks for coming by and opening up these kicks with me. I feel like it was a mad one today, but I'm just excited to be back, and I just feel energized. I feel refreshed and ready to go. Do you know what I mean? Like, just bring me the kicks, bruv, because we're ready. So thanks for putting up with me, as always. Keep your eye out on the channel for more unboxings, different types of videos, all different types of content. I just kind of want to bring more stuff to the table, you know. But yeah, as always, come chat to me, leave a comment down below, come over to Instagram, all those good places which I appear. But until the next one, peace, love, and I'm out. Every day I ask myself, where would I put my own belongings? And every day I don't know the answer to that. Found them. Don't run with scissors, kids. Found them. One last thing I like to do before I jump off a cliff, I'm playing. Part of me wants to like refilm the bit where I talked about this shoe because I was just on a mad one. But the other half of me doesn't give a fuck. So what we gonna do? Why does Jordan look thick? He kind of looked like he got some back there. Maybe, am I tripping? Did Jordan get some booty? Did he get BBL? Did Jordan get BBL? You seen that picture? That picture Bear went round with Jordan with a fat ass. I don't know why I'm picturing Jordan with a fat ass. That's not the image I want in my head. Oh, he's thick.